Hello students, we have to solve question number 6. If a is equal to square root of 6 plus square root 5, b is equal to square root of 6 minus square root 5, then find the value of 2a square minus 5ab plus 2b square. We have given values of a and b. Now write down this 2a square minus 5ab plus 2b square is equal to. Now 2 into bracket, from this taking 2 common, 2 into bracket a square plus b square minus 5ab. A square plus b square, taking 2 common, a square plus b square minus 5ab is equal to 2 into bracket. Now a square, now taking square of this, चा square घेतला तर काही a plus b whole square, that is a square 6 plus b square 5 plus 2ab. 2 into square root of 6 into 5, that is 2 square root of 30 plus b square, square of this, square root 6 square is 6 plus square root 5 square is 5 minus 2 square root of 6 into 5, 30. This is 2 into bracket a square plus b square minus 5 into bracket ab, that is multiplication of these two, a plus b, a minus b, काय multiplication येईल a square minus b square, that is square root 6 square is 6 minus square root 5 square is 5 equal to, here 2 square root 30 minus 2 square root 30 get cancelled. Therefore 2 into bracket 6 plus 11, 6 plus 11, 11 plus 11, 22 minus 5 into 6 minus 5 is 1 is equal to 44 minus 5 is equal to 39. Therefore value of this is 39. Correct choice is C. Now question number 7. Out of group of swans, 7 upon 2 times the square root of number of swans are playing on the shore of the tank. Remaining 2 are quarreling in the water. हंस पक्षी किती ग्रुप ऑफ हंस पक्षीचा ग्रुप आहे, त्यापैकी 7 upon 2 times number of swans जेवढे आहेत त्याच्या 7 upon 2 times कुठे टँकच्या कडेवर. रिमेनिंग 2 आर quarreling in the water आणि 2 कुठे पाण्यामध्ये. Calculate the total number of swans. Find the number of swans playing on the shore of water tank. तर पाण्यामध्ये किती आणि एकूण किती हंस पक्षी आणि पाण्याच्या बाहेर किंवा टँकच्या बाजूला किती ती संख्या काढायची. Now first we consider out of group of swans. Let number of swans is equal to x. Therefore x is equal to, out of group of swans, 7 upon 2 times the square root of number of swans. 7 upon 2 times the square root of number of swans are playing on the ground shore of the tank. Remaining 2 are quarreling in the water आणि 2 कसे येतात in the water, म्हणजे पाण्यातले 2 आणि पाण्याच्या कडीचे 7 upon 2 square root x, हे दोन्ही मिळून किती येतात number of swans x. Now take this 2 to the left hand side. X minus 2 is equal to 7 upon 2 square root x. By taking square, therefore x square minus 4x, x square minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 7 square 49 divided by 2 square 4 into x. Now multiplying by 4. Multiplying by 4. Multiplying by 4. 4x square minus 4 into 4 16x plus 4 into 4 16 is equal to, or this plus becomes minus, 4 get cancelled, 49x is equal to 0. Therefore 4x square minus 16 minus 49 minus 65x plus 16 is equal to 0. Now we have to factorize this. 4 into 16 64. Factor काय पडतील? minus 64 minus 1. Therefore 4x square minus 64x minus x plus 16 is equal to 0. From first to take 4x common, into bracket x minus 16 minus 1 common, x minus 16 is equal to 0. Now here taking x minus 16 common, into bracket 4x minus 1 equal to 0. 4x minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 16 or x is equal to 1 upon 4. This is invalid. Therefore total number of swans x is equal to 16. Therefore total number of swans x is equal to 16, and find the number of swans playing on the shore of tank. टँकच्या एकूण 16 आहेत आणि 2 पाण्यामध्ये म्हणजे राहिलेली किती तर 14. and on the shore of tank 14. Therefore correct choice is D, 16, 14. Now question number 8. A coin and a die is tossed simultaneously. Find the probability of the event that tail and a prime number turns up. त्याची probability आपल्याला काढायची. आपल्याला माहिती आहे a coin is toss. Coin toss केल्यानंतर काय असेल, head or tail. And a die is toss. Die toss केला तर कोणते नंबर असतील? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Simultaneously find the probability of the event that tail and a prime number एकूण किती असेल? Therefore n of s is equal to h1 h2 या प्रमाणे h6, t1 t2 या प्रमाणे t6. Therefore total number of sample space n of s is equal to 12. आणि let a be the event काय आपल्याला दिले? Find the probability of that tail and a prime number. Tail and a prime number. Tail prime number 2. Tail prime number 3. Tail prime number 5. Therefore n of a is equal to 3. Therefore now probability of a, we have to find its probability. Probability of a is equal to n of a upon n of s. 3 upon 12 is equal to 1 upon 4. Therefore correct choice is B. Now question number 9. In a frequency distribution, median is 11 upon 10 times the mean and mode is 5.2. Find the median. We have to find median. Now for this first we have to know relation between mean, median and mode. आपल्याला फॉर्म्युला माहित पाहिजे, मीन, मीडियन अँड मोड. फॉर्म्युला वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारे लिहिता येतो. इथं कसं लिहिता येईल पहा. mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. हा फॉर्म्युला लक्षात ठेवा. Mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Here, in a frequency distribution, median is 11 upon 10 times the mean. Is equal to 3 into median is 11 upon 10 times mean. And mode is 5.2. Mode किती दिले 5.2. Find the median minus 2 mean. Minus 2 mean. Therefore, now multiplying by 10, we get 10 into 5.2, that is 52, is equal to 3 into 11, 33 mean minus 2 mean. 33 mean minus 2 mean. Two into 10, that is 20. 20 mean. आपल्याला 10 न मल्टिप्लाय करायचं. 10 into 5.2 52. 10 कॅन्सल होतील. 3 into 11 33 mean minus 2 into 10 is 20 mean. Therefore 52 is equal to 33 minus 20, 13 mean. Therefore mean is equal to 52 upon 13 is equal to 4. Therefore mean is equal to 4. That is 4.0. This is the correct answer. Now question number 10. If x upon 2y plus z minus x is equal to y upon 2z plus x minus y is equal to z upon 2x plus y minus z, and x plus y plus z is not equal to 0, then what is each ratio is equal to? असं पाहिल्यावर आपल्या लक्षात येईल दिस इज इक्वल टू k आपण कन्सिडर केलं. k मीन्स काय each ratio. Now let x upon 2y plus z minus x is equal to y upon 2z plus x minus y is equal to z upon 2x plus y minus z is equal to k. That is each ratio. Therefore each ratio is equal to, आता पहा each ratio आपण घेताना न्यूमरेटर चे ऍडिशन सबट्रॅक्शन घेता येतं, तसं डिनॉमिनेटर सुद्धा ऍडिशन सबट्रॅक्शन घेता येतं. नाउ टेकिंग ऍडिशन x plus y plus z डिवाइड बाय, आता पहा x ची टर्म घेऊ आपण, minus x plus x get cancelled 2x. Now y minus y plus y get cancelled plus 2y plus z minus z get cancelled plus 2z is equal to x plus y plus z divided by, taking 2 common, into bracket x plus y plus z. Now these are get cancelled, therefore is equal to 1 upon 2. Therefore each ratio is 1 upon 2. This is the correct choice is A.